Hey everybody, I want to do a short video here. I was texted a few days ago by a former student of mine, Ben Lamb, and I'm just going to read the text and then I'll try and go through a little deeper. I don't want to make this a long video, so here we go. This was about, he wants to buy a new drum set and he's concerned about, do you get maple, do you get birch, do you get whatever. So here was my answer. His question was, hey Mr. Russman, I was checking out drum sets to start saving up for, and I had a question about it. What is the difference between drums being made of birch or maple, if there is one? I responded, they have different sound characteristics, far too much to go into a text. They both sound great, I have both. He responded, okay, follow up. Which one would you recommend to someone like me? And my response was, and some of you might find this funny, but I'm being serious. My response was, the one you like the color of. And yes, I'm being serious. Absolutely no one will care about the wood. If you want to change sounds from your kit, try different drum heads. I'm lucky to have both. If I get tired of one, I'll use the other. I've gone back and forth many times. Yes, it's true, I'll use one or the other for a certain gig, but that's just me. I've never come across any gig that needed just a maple sound or birch sound, and that's true. I've put them side by side, and yeah, if you tune them the same and you put the exact same drum heads on them or whatnot, you can tell a difference, but it doesn't just jump at you. I decided not to go in and do a audio representation in this video because both drums have different types of rims on them, which also contributes to a whole different sound. So you wouldn't have even been able to get it close anyway. So the thing is this, the truth is nobody cares. I've done studio commercials, radio commercials, been on big gigs. No one has told me, hey, bring your maple kit, hey, bring your birch kit, or even so much as, hey, do you have something that sounds like birch or maple? No one cares. And besides that, if you're playing a live gig or even a studio gig, you bring the drum set in, and the guy behind the mixing console who's gonna mix it, who's gonna add EQ, who's gonna do all that stuff, whatever that drum sounds like anyway is gonna go out the window, you know? So it doesn't matter. Birch, maple, cherry wood, oak, yes, they all have their sound characteristic. That's absolutely true. But in the end, nobody from the audience is going to care. They want to know that you can play drums and that you're just making that band feel good, sound good, and all that. So I hope that was helpful. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, share the video. And until the next time, everybody. Oh, by the way, in the comments below, what do you have? Do you have maple? Do you have cherry? Do you have birch? What do you have? What kind of drums? Put them in the comments section below. I really actually would like to know what everybody's using. Most people will be using maple or birch. They're just more they're more buyable. They're in stores. They're quick to get. So yeah, put it in the comment section below. And until the next time, take care, everybody.